Hi there guys, in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Someone Like You by Adele. So, the song is in the key of A and it uses 4 basic chords. So the chords that you need to know are A, and to play A, you put your thumb on A, finger 3 on C sharp, and finger 5 on E. So this is how you play an A chord. The next chord that you need to know is an E chord. To play E, E basically has the same shape as A. I hope you can see that this A looks like a triangle because it's going white, black, white. So E, same thing. If you put your thumb on E and you play white, black, white, you've got an E chord. I'm playing E with my thumb, G sharp in the middle, and finger 5 on B. Okay, so it's A. And we're playing each chord for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go to F sharp minor, and for that we're going to put our thumb on F sharp, finger 3 on A, finger 5 on C sharp. Okay, so now you've got A, you've got E, you've got F sharp minor, and then lastly you've got D. D has the same shape as A and E, so it's also a triangle, white, black, white. You put your thumb on D and there's your chord. Okay, I'm going to add bass notes as I play these chords. So it's A, E, F sharp minor, and then D. I hope you're starting to even hear the chorus, the never mind, I'll find someone like you. Those are actually the chords for the chorus. Okay. However, she doesn't always play the chords as simple as that. Sometimes she does interesting things with the chords. You hear this from the very beginning of the song. In fact, the part that I played at the beginning of this video, that's the intro and the verse actually. Right, and this is how she plays them. Instead of playing the chord as a block, and by block I simply mean all the notes at the same time, she breaks up the chord, so she plays broken chords. And by broken I simply mean you're playing the notes one by one, like this. Okay, so A, C sharp, E. It would be odd to end it there, so she ends on the middle note. So she ends with the middle note. So it goes up the chord, goes backwards, ends there in the middle. Okay, so it ends in the middle. So since each chord is 1 bar, we're going to play this broken chord 4 times. Okay, so we're going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, she starts to use these things called inversions. If you're not sure what inversions are, I've got a whole video on inversions and chords, because there's some of the in fact all the chords that we're playing in this video we didn't cover in the beginner's course, but you can find explanations of all the chords in this video right here. So there's a second chord that she plays. That chord, I actually didn't mention this one. It's called C sharp minor. I do remember we mentioned F sharp minor. C sharp minor looks exactly like F sharp minor. We just have to move our thumb to C sharp, and there's C sharp minor. So we're playing C sharp, E, and G sharp. So this is the second chord in the intro. So after A, she plays C sharp minor. But you know what, it would be quite odd to play it like this. You know, one of the beauty of using inversions is it brings the chords closer together. Okay, so they're almost kind of like in the same neighborhood. So an inversion that's close to this of C sharp minor, you can get there by simply moving your thumb there. Okay, so she plays C sharp minor, and a G sharp in the bass. I hope you can see this chord is an inversion of that one. It's the second inversion. So we're going from from A to C sharp minor. Now we go to F sharp minor. Okay, we already covered F sharp minor. But instead of playing it like this, she plays a bigger chord. Doesn't play the A in the middle. So what you have to do is put your finger 3 on the C sharp. So now you've got thumb on F sharp, finger 3 on C sharp. Now your pinky can go and play the F sharp at the top. Okay, so you're kind of thinking of your chord like this. Okay, so it's a big one. And try and, unless your hands are big enough, like in my case, I can play this and I'm not feeling like I'm stretching at all. Okay, because my hands are generally big. But if this feels like a stretch, you don't have to play the notes together like that. You can play one note at a time, like this. And what allows me to do that is that I am using my sustain pedal or my damper pedal. Again, if you're not sure how to use the damper pedal, it's very easy. You can just follow this video here step by step. It will guide you through using your damper pedal. So you also play that 4 times. That's your F sharp minor. And then for D, you obviously play D in the bass, but instead of playing our D in root position, let's play in second inversion. Okay, so this is root position, first inversion, and here's our second inversion of D. So we're going to play 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just a quick recap of our 4 chords in the intro and in the verse. We're playing A like this, with an A in the bass, and then we're playing C sharp minor in second inversion, like this, with a G sharp in the bass, and then we're playing a big F sharp minor, and then we're going to end with D in second inversion, also with the D in the bass. Okay, so I'm going to play this slowly. I'll play those 4 chords broken. Remember, you go up and return to the middle, up, return to the middle. Okay, we're going to play each chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just do the. Actually, you know what? This is a habit because my hands generally big. So from F sharp, should have gone here. I think that's what's played on the recording. Okay, so after the intro and the verse, we then go to the pre-chorus. And pre simply means the part before. So pre-chorus is the part before the chorus. Okay, so the chords for that part are E, F sharp minor, and then D. Okay, we are going to play these in inversions, but we're also going to decorate them. So for the E, we're going to decorate it by adding the 2, and the 2 is F sharp. Okay, now when we play an inversion of this, we're going to put our thumb on F sharp, finger 2 on G sharp, and then our pinky on E. So we're going to go. So I'm going to play it as a block just so you can see what the 3 notes are. Okay, now I'm going to play it as a broken chord, the way it's supposed to be played. So we just play that twice, and then we go to F sharp minor, but instead of playing it like this, we're going to replace the C sharp with an E. Okay, so we're going to play F sharp, A, and E. So now we've got and then we're going to go to D. And since we've got F sharp here, we're simply going to play D in first inversion. So I'll show you that again. I'm actually going to split this pre-chorus into two. So this is the first part of the pre-chorus. So the second part of the pre-chorus is almost exactly the same, except for the last chord. So watch. For the D, we're going to replace the D that we were playing earlier with an F sharp at the top, so it's a bigger chord. Okay, so we're going to play this back to the E and back to that same chord again, that D. Okay, so I'll show you the second half of the pre-chorus one more time. So it's big D, add 2, and then back to that big D, and then now we're going to the chorus. Okay, so for the chorus, well, what I'm actually playing here, I've played an A chord, but I've also added an A at the top. Okay, because the chords in the chorus, I mean, that's basically how they're played. All we do is we remove the E, so we're playing, so it's never mind, I'll find. Okay, so that's the part that we're playing now. So I'm playing A, C sharp, and A. And remember the chord progression at the beginning, we said A, E, F sharp minor, and then D. So for the E, we're going to play an inversion. And then for the F sharp minor, we can play F sharp in the bass, but here we can play that A again, because that works. So we're going to play A, C sharp, and A. So basically, if I show you the right hand, I'm going from to G sharp and B, back to A and C sharp. So here it is with the left hand. Now for the D. This is where, if you listen to the recording, different things are played each time, but basically what you want to play there is some sort of D. So you can either play D in second inversion like this, so you could go, or if you want, you could keep that A there. So I hope you can see that now I'm just playing around with the chords. So the most important thing is to know the chords to a song. Consider that step number 1. And then number 2, know the inversions to the song, and then that gives you the freedom to play the song any way you want. So you don't always have to play it that one particular way. Okay. So the chords that I'm showing you now are not from the music Bible, okay? But I think they're quite close to what's on the recording. But feel free, just like Adele does, or whoever plays piano on the recordings, they play the chords in any way that they're feeling at the particular time. Okay, so that's basically the song. Enjoy, practice, practice, practice. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please make sure that you do so. Please like the video, leave us a comment, and let me know if there are any other songs that you'd like to learn. I'll see you in the next video.